This video, the objective is to divide 2 and 3 digit dividends by 2-digit divisors with single-digit quotients. We're taking what we did on the last two lessons and we're continuing to build on it. First problem that we have is 256 divided by 46. Okay. Just like last time, first thing we're going to do is we're going to estimate. 256 goes to 240, and 46 turns into 40. The way that I got this is I'm using my schema, my previous knowledge of basic multiplication facts, and saying that I know that 4 goes into 24 a certain number of times. Okay, and again, 240 divided by 40 is the same as 24 divided by 4, which is equal to 6. Then I'm going to set up the problem so that I have 256 divided by 46 times 6, and 46 times 6 is 276. Now if I try to subtract that out, I can look at it and say that this is way too big. It doesn't work. So I'm going to need to do this problem a different way. I could say this is too big. I'm going to take my 6 and cross that off, and I'm going to go down to 5. Or I could estimate it differently. Okay? What that would look like is maybe going from 256 to 250, and 46 to 50, knowing that it is the same as 25 divided by 5, which is 5. Okay? There are multiple ways to estimate and round it. If one way works better for you, try that way and see where you get. Okay? 256 divided by 46 times 5 is 235. Okay? Subtracting out, 6 minus 5 is 1, 50 minus 30 is 20, and 200 minus 200 is 0. So I have 5 with a remainder of 21. Let's try that. 236 divided by 39. Again, the first step that I'm going to take is to estimate. In this case, knowing my facts, I am going to round up. So I'm going to go 240 and 39 turns into 40. Okay? 240 divided by 40 is the same as 24 divided by 4, which is 6. So let's try that and see if that works. 236 divided by 39 times 6 is 234. 236 minus 234 is 2. So I have 6 with a remainder of 2. Again, it worked in this case. It might not for every. There are multiple ways that you can solve the problems. Let's try 712 divided by 94. Again, I have two estimates. I can do 720 divided by 90, or I can go down and try 630 divided by 90. Okay, here I'm using multiples of 9. This is the same as 72 divided by 9, and this is the same as 63 divided by 9. Okay, 72 divided by 9 is 8, 63 divided by 9 is 7. I'm doing both so that you can see the difference. In this case, let's go with the lower one, because we know that if we don't have enough, we can always move in either direction. Okay, so we're going to start copying the problem. 712 divided by 94, and we're going to use that estimate of 7 again. So we'll put our 7 up, and 94 times 7 is 658. And when we subtract that out, we know that we have 54 left. So looking at what we have, 54 is less than 94, so 7 was the correct number to use, and we have a remainder of 54.